Thanks to Soundcore for sponsoring today's video. What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're checking out some new headphones and earbuds from the folks over at Soundcore. You guys know Soundcore, they're one of Anchor's brands, and these are the new Soundcore Q45s as well as the Soundcore A40s. And I'm personally excited because Soundcore makes some really good affordable products that I find myself recommending a lot. So I'm pumped to see their latest and greatest. But before we get started, we gotta take a quick look at what you get inside the box if you pick one of these up. So first thing we're gonna take a look at is the Space Q45s. Now we've got a pretty standard box here. Up front, we've got the headphones, and on the back, you got a list of all the features you can expect. But once you pop the box open, you're gonna be greeted with the hard shell carrying case, which we'll put to the side for a second. Then you also have the paperwork. So you get a pretty long quick start guide that gives you a ton of information, as well as some safety and warranty paperwork. And that's everything in the box. But once you pop open the hard shell carrying case, you'll of course find the Space Q45s, as well as a USB A to C power cable and 3.5mm cable. So pretty standard stuff here, but let's take a look at the actual headphones. Now I gotta say, these are really lightweight and really good looking. I'm personally a fan of the design here. There's no metal to be found on this, but the overall look I think is very solid. But we'll talk about the look a little bit more in a second. Now let's take a look at the little brother, the Space A40s. Now we got the same deal with the box. You can see them up front, features in the back. Once you pop it open though, you do have the earbuds, which you can take out, and then you get access to, of course, that paperwork. So same deal, quick start guide, safety and warranty information, that kind of stuff. But when you get a little bit further into the box, you of course get that USB C to A cable and a bunch of ear tips. So depending on what's comfortable for you, you get a total of 5 different size options, including the ones on the actual buds. Now, once you get the wrapper off of these, you can see that they've got a really clean look for the case. And once you pop it open, you've got the earbuds. Now the earbuds have a pretty minimal design. It's a little reflective, which I think looks kind of cool. Got that big Soundcore logo on the sides, but it's a very simple, minimal design. There's not a lot going on here, but I think the look is clean. But now let's take a bit of a deeper look at both of these headphones. So here we have them, you guys. So these are the new Space Series headphones and earbuds. Figure let's get to know these things a little bit better since they're a brand new series. So we got the Q45s over here. And what do you guys think of the look? Honest opinions.
I think it looks very clean.
Jay?
I was going to say clean as well. But
Keeping it simple, clean works.
They got a nice style too.
I'd rock these. I'd have no problem rocking these. So these are the over-ear headphones. But like I said, we've also got these in-ear buds as well. So these guys kind of just sit in the ear like this. These actually sit really comfortably in my ears. Oh, wow, hold on now. Now for me, these funky ears sitting nicely in the ears is a big deal. This is actually really good. I think it's because these are so lightweight. So these are some pretty lightweight earbuds. They don't feel cheap or anything, but I think that that contributes to like an easier fit. Something about these feels really comfortable. I don't know what I look like with these on. Hold on. Oh, that's super low key. Yeah, okay, they pass. So these actually have a pretty interesting design when it comes to the hinge. You can see it kind of like goes into the band itself. I think that's pretty cool. I like this design. I'm glad that it is completely foldable. So it can fold, it can rest flat, all the movements that you want out of a pair of over-ear headphones so you can pack them away. So I like that. So let's take a quick look around the ear cups. On the right side, we of course have our 3.5mm jack, your play and pause button, your volume controls, and on the left side, we have our USB-C port, power button, as well as your noise canceling button over here. Now, in terms of controls on the earbuds, you just give it a double tap to play, double tap to pause, and that's about the only controls on these. Anything else you'd want to do, you just have to pick up your phone. Now, when it comes to the case, it's actually pretty cool. It has these LED indicators to let you know how the battery life is. In the back, you have your USB-C port and your pairing button over here so you can pair it up to whatever device you want. But this is a pretty small, compact charging case. Just kind of throw it into your pocket. I think it can even fit in the change pocket. Let me see here. Bam, nice and easy, super compact. Now, we do have the black version here. They also come in white as well as navy blue. Same for these guys over here. So we've got multiple color options depending on what you're looking for. But I do think that these look pretty solid. In terms of the ear cups, we're looking at an oval shape for the over-ear design. Now these are active noise canceling, so that is really important. They're not on-ear headphones, they're over-ear, and I like the seal that they give. They say you're supposed to cut out 98% of noise around you, which is kind of nuts. I don't really hear it. Oh, that train. Hear it a little bit.
That's the 2%.
That's the But the thing is, when you've got active noise canceling on, like this is great if you're just trying to minimize everything around you. But once you throw on some music or just like any kind of audio, you're not gonna hear anything at all. I definitely feel like I could wear these for a long period of time. It feels secure, but it doesn't feel too tight. I like this. Now, usually we like to leave price towards the end, but I feel like we gotta mention this a little bit earlier. These go for, do you guys already know the price? I mentioned it. Yeah, you guys know, whatever. So these go for 150 bucks and these go for 100 bucks. So for their categories, these are pretty inexpensive. These are active noise canceling Bluetooth headphones, as well as active noise canceling Bluetooth earbuds. Usually these, you can easily find these for like 200 bucks, 300 bucks. So these are really, really affordable. So far I'm liking these. They look good, they feel good on the head. I feel like we just gotta go ahead and play some music, right? Just hear how they sound. Do we bump that new Drake? That's what everyone's doing, right? We'll skip to that last song. It's a pretty wide soundstage. I feel like these would work for a lot of genres. Let me try something else. All right, I gotta go out there. Y'all know about that J-pop. Nothing. Gotta hit it with a classic real quick. It handles highs really well. Nah, I like these. I feel like these can work for a lot of genres. I'm just so impressed by the soundstage, honestly. I feel like a lot of the instruments that don't typically stand out definitely stand out here, especially like those higher pitched ones. This is not a bass heavy pair of headphones. I feel like if you're looking for something more balanced, this is where it's at. So these are cool. They definitely get my seal of approval. Let's try the little brothers out over here. See how these sound. Now what I like about these is that they've got some nice thump to them. I wasn't expecting it considering how lightweight and small these were, but I definitely feel the music with these. Now what's great about these is that they're also active noise canceling. So I feel like you get some of the best active noise canceling experiences when they're in earbuds because it just seals off that eardrum. So I like the way that both of these sound, and considering this is just 100 bucks, it's actually pretty impressive. Now feature-wise, these both have active noise cancellation, but the headphones also have transparency mode, so you got that feature too. Now another feature that they have is multi-point connection. So this should be able to pair with multiple devices at once. So let's give it a shot. All right, so I've got my headphones paired up to my laptop. Okay, so I am connected to both. I hear my audio here from my phone. I'm gonna pause, and now we're on the laptop. It takes like a second to transition over, but it works no problem. Had some issues with that kind of thing lately, but it's nice to be able to do that, especially when it comes to like a laptop and a phone. Makes life a lot easier, and you're gonna be able to do the same with the earbuds. And I know you guys are always asking, Judd, what about the mic quality? Well, these have 6 built-in microphones, and this guy's got 2, so let's go ahead and test that out. So this is the audio from the Q45. These have 2 noise canceling mics. When you use the mic, this is what it sounds like. And right here, you've got the audio from the A40s. These have 6 microphones, so this is the kind of quality you can expect when you use the mics. So you guys let me know what you thought of the mic quality down below in the comments. But next, I feel like we gotta talk about battery life. Now, we know the parent brand, Anker, they know a thing or two about battery and charging. So these, with active noise cancellation on, you get 50 hours of battery life. What? And when you take the active noise cancellation off, 65 hours. That doesn't make any sense. 65 hours is absurd. And it of course has a quick charge feature. Let's say you're at 0, you charge these for 5 minutes, you get 4 hours of battery life. Usually with 5 to 10 minutes, you get like an hour and a half, 4 hours. That makes no sense. Now, when it comes to the earbuds, on a single charge, you get 10 hours of battery life. With the case, you get 50. That is by far the largest number I've seen on a pair of earbuds ever, which is just mind-boggling. And also, 5 hours of charging, 4 hours of battery life. Absolutely wild stuff, but it makes sense, with that Anker background, the battery life and charging are gonna be stellar on these, so it's really impressive. But I'm curious, what do you guys think about these headphones, the earbuds? I love recommending the Soundcore line if you're looking for a pair of not super expensive earbuds or headphones and you want some pretty good quality. But let me know what you guys think with a comment down below. I'll of course have links to everything you see here in the description. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. And catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.
50 hours?
Insane. 65 without what? 65?
It's crazy.
Crazy.